Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding apps to your home screen on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can access all of your apps via the app menu, but you can also add them to your home screen for easier access. Follow the steps to learn how to add apps to your Samsung Galaxy home screen. Swipe up on your home screen to open the app menu. You can swipe from side to side to find the app you would like to add to your home screen, or you can search for the app in the search bar at the top. Once you have located the app, hold down on it until this menu appears. Select Add to Home from the menu. That app will be added to your home screen. To move the app, hold down on it again until it vibrates and the menu disappears. You can then drag and drop the app to wherever you would like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.